subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has launched 3 new smartphones globally called Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, Xiaomi 11T and Xiaomi 11T Pro. Among these three, the Xiaomi 11T Pro is the higher variant that comes with cinematic feature to take professional-like cinematic videos. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi 11T Pro features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Xiaomi 11T Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.75 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 5MP telemacro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of recording up to 8K videos at 30 frames per second along with the HDR10 Plus support. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 120W hyper-fast charging, and it is claimed to charge the device in just 17 minutes of time. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos plus Harman Kardon sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 76.9 by 8.8mm and it weighs around 204 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi 11T Pro has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €649, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at €699. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at €749. The smartphone is now available for purchase in some selected regions in Meteorite Grey, Moonlight White, and Celestial Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi 11T Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.